In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to install Windows 10 on your computer using the official Windows Media Creation tool. No Rufus, no third-party tools, just the safest method directly from Microsoft. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft Windows 10 download page. I'll leave the link in the description below. Scroll down and click on Download Tool Now under the Create Windows 10 Installation Media section. Once the tool is downloaded, click to launch. You'll see a license agreement. Click Accept to continue. Choose your preferred language, Windows 10 Edition, and architecture 32-bit, 64-bit, or both. For most users, 64-bit is recommended. Click Next. Now, choose USB flash drive. Make sure you insert a USB with at least 8 GB of space. Select the correct USB from the list and hit Next. The tool will now download Windows 10 and make your USB bootable. This might take some time depending on your internet speed. Enter your BIOS or boot menu by pressing F2, F12, ESC, or Del depends on your PC manufacturer. From the boot menu, select your USB drive and press Enter. Now, the Windows setup will begin. Select your language, time, and keyboard layout, then click Next. Click Install now. If you have a product key, enter it. If not, click I don't have a product key to continue with the installation. You can activate it later. Select the operating system you want to install and then click Next. Select Custom. Install Windows Only Advanced. Select the hard drive or SSD where you want to install Windows. You can format the drive or delete partitions for a clean install. Be careful here. This will erase all data on that drive. Click Next and Windows will begin installing. This can take 10 to 30 minutes. Your PC will restart several times during the process. Once installation is complete, follow the on-screen steps to create your user account, choose Settings, and finish setup. And just like that, you now have a fresh installation of Windows 10 on your PC. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to IT Next, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a helpful tutorial. Drop a comment below if you have any questions.